Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom in Orlando, Florida. This hotel suite is not only gorgeous and clean, I would say it has one of the best views in the world. You're overlooking the amazing Animal Kingdom with giraffes and zebras in their natural habitat. The hotel suite is big and spacious, all the accommodations that you would need in your hotel stay. But let's be real, with so much to do at the Disney parks, you're not going to be in that hotel room too much. The HBCU Week College Fair was everything that I imagined and more. Sponsored by Sally Mae, they had a beautiful open night with Anthony Anderson from Grownish as the elite guest.
To my parents, and I went back to Howard University and received my degree from the Chadwick A. Boseman School of Fine Arts back in 2020.
HBCU Week and Disney on the Yard have teamed up to give big scholarships to these up-and-coming HBCU students. They are so deserving. And seeing these kids win money in real time was just such a joy. Week is doing essential work with these college students. So as you enjoy the rest of the event, make sure you check them out, donate where you can, and get involved.
Oh, the Disney hands. Yeah. Cute. Thank you. Of course.
You could do the TikTok with me.
I don't know what you're talking about. Go.
My name is Ashley Christopher, and I'm the founder and CEO of HBCU Week Foundation. As a two-time HBCU alum graduating from Howard University and the University of DC Law School, I count it as my personal responsibility to expose as many students coming behind me to how beautiful and impactful the HBCU experience is.
Respectfully, never pay for these photographers. Because first of all, you done spent so much money to get to the damn park. Buy you a tripod that's collapsible. Put the camera on video. So when you pose, just move slowly. You can screenshot the video, babe, for free. You done spend $1 gazillion to get to Disney. Tip your own fucking. I'm gonna show you mine.